Are you looking to get active at home, but maybe you're not quite as stable as you used to be? My name is Kate with WTI, and you're gonna love this Redliro treadmill. It comes with both front and side rails, so this makes it great for seniors, beginners, or maybe even if you're recovering from an injury. It has a really slow start pace at just 0.3 miles per hour, so nice and gradual, no jolting, and it supports users up to 300 pounds. It has a really nice flat walking surface, it's easy on the joints, but there is an optional incline if you feel like challenging yourself a little bit. It's very quiet and it even has built-in workout programs. Another amazing feature is that the hand controls are right on the handles. The heart rate monitoring is right there too. It also has a really large display and it tracks things like your time, calories burnt, distance, and speed. The handrails are removable depending on your fitness level, and it's really easy to store. It flips right up. It even fits in doorways, so you can cart it from room to room. It does require just a little bit of assembly, but it comes with everything you need and really great instructions. So if you're looking for a treadmill that combines stability, comfort, user-friendly features, and feels high quality, you're gonna love this one, and that's my point of view.